If you're looking for a super versatile property like this, with updated modern finishes like these, all of this and more on today's episode. So folks, today we have a truly unique and rare offering to show you, and in my opinion, this property is a triple threat. It starts with the location. If you're looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, yet you want to be close to all of those daily amenities, I truly can't think of a better location than this. You're less than a 10-minute drive to the town of Haliburton, the town of Minden, or the town of Kinmount. So all of those daily must-haves are literally right around the corner. Now let's talk about the lot size. We're on over 2 acres here of flat, usable ground, and we have M1 commercial industrial zoning, and we can talk a little bit later about the possibilities that entails. Now let's talk about the home itself. Constructed a little over 5 years ago, everything from the cosmetic finishes to the big ticket mechanical items have been taken care of here so that you don't have to spend the money doing so. Now let's get inside and have a look at our newest listing. This is 3399 Gelert Road. Now there's an absolute ton to love about this home, and it starts from the moment you walk in the front door and enter into this updated kitchen in behind me here. As I mentioned outside, everything has been done within the last 5 years or so, and you can tell by the modern aesthetic and feel. You have white shaker cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and the beautiful part is it's all open concept overlooking your dining and living space, not to mention 8.5-foot ceilings on this level, which completely open up the space. At a little over 1,000 square feet of finished space, this is absolutely the perfect size. It's not too large to maintain, yet it provides comfortable spaces. This floor is rounded out by 2 terrific sized bedrooms and has some awesome features like this recently installed wood burning stove, which will help you offset your heating costs in the wintertime. As well, it features an awesome walkout to an east-facing deck. Now, the true beauty of any rural property is in the property itself, and this one certainly does not disappoint. Here we are outside now on this terrific wraparound east-facing deck. This is the absolute perfect spot to entertain or to take in those morning sunrises with a cup of coffee. But let's talk a little bit more about the property itself. As I mentioned before, it has commercial industrial M1 zoning here, which means if you operate a business, landscaping, pools, or you have heavy equipment to store, this one is perfectly set up to do it. You have 2 driveways to access the property as well, making it ultra convenient to run those home-based businesses. We are the Knowles Woolsey team, and we are video marketing experts. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.